It's giving Naomi Campbell from In the Closet video. Some of y'all gonna be too young to know what video I'm talking about. Y'all know Michael Jackson, In the Closet, Naomi Campbell? That's what it's giving. It's an absolutely beautiful day, and they are saying that Panty Hose is the way to install the ball cap now, so we're gonna do it. By the way, I got this from the beauty supply, so hopefully you don't need a specific kind for this method to work, because honey, $3.99, $2.99 if that. One might say that I'm always looking for a bargain. They wouldn't be wrong. It's giving bald. The cap is giving bald. Everything's got to look on one accord, so we got to add a little bit of foundation to that lace as well. All right, and we are about to prep her so we can get her laid down. This is the loose deep wave texture from Wiggins Hair in the length 28 inches. It is long. I'm gonna show y'all. And this is their HD lace. They did send me this wig to use and sponsor this video, so shout out to them for that. I know we're looking crusty right now, but just wait. And there you have it, a wig sleigh of 28 inches. This hair is gorgeous, and it is long. It's beautiful, y'all. So final thoughts about this wig in this install. Love it. I love everything about it. This is a frontal, okay? So it is like a regular wig, constructed cap in the back. But baby, this 28 inches, this loose deep wave, like, and this like a natural black color, like it's dark, it's giving. And this is some of the easiest lace that I have worked with. Like, y'all know how sometimes like lace is hard, like a little bit hard. Like if you're a lace girl, you know what I'm talking about. This lace is not hard. Like, it was soft and it was easy to work with, and I'm a fan. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Also, I'm interested to know if anybody has purchased from Wiggins before. Let me know, and how did you like your units? But other than that, that's it. We did it. Finito. Until next time.